Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, is a must for all vacationers coming into the Keystone State.
Here are 10 of our favorite free and affordable things to do in Lancaster County, PA. And stick around to the end to learn about a town that's going to make you snicker and almost guarantee that you have a happy ending.
First up is Amish country. Pretty much everywhere you look, you'll see the plain folk and their unique way of life. From old grist mills to farms, silos, and the beautiful countryside, Lancaster County is a photographer's dream.
If you have little ones with you, you have to stop at one of the many petting farms dotted throughout the county. The one pictured here is the Little Country Store and Miniature Horse Farm, where the admission is free. They have a country store where you can get homemade root beer floats, and the kids can even take a buggy ride behind a miniature horse.
Just up the road from this little petting farm is the Strasburg Railroad. Here, everyone becomes a kid again. This railroad has a fully operational steam engine train that gives hourly rides. And twice a year, Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends visit Strasburg. There's also other special events that happen throughout the year. It's free to walk around the railroad's grounds, but there are costs to ride the trains. It's best to order your tickets online.
While you're riding the train, you'll see a really unique motel. The Red Caboose Motel gives visitors a rare chance to stay in a real-life caboose. They can accommodate couples and families. Check online for rates.
Just across the street from the Strasburg Railroad is the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. Kids 2 and under get in for free, and there's a senior discount. There are over 100 retired engines, cars, and rolling stock on display. This is a must-see for any train enthusiast, no matter what their age.
Next door to the museum is another museum, just much smaller. The Choo Choo Barn has been bringing smiles to faces since the mid-1950s. This miniature world has 22 operating trains and gives a bird's-eye view of Lancaster County. Kids 2 and under get in for free, and they offer military discounts. This place is a blast.
Having fun?
Please subscribe.
Next up is a tasty treat for the whole family. Make a stop at the Sturgis Pretzel Bakery in Lititz, Pennsylvania. This place smells as good as it tastes. The Sturgis Pretzel Bakery is the oldest in the country, and they've been making hard pretzels since 1861. While you're enjoying a pretzel, sign up for an interactive bakery tour and learn how to twist your own. Kids 3 and under are free, and they offer discounts for military and seniors.
Once your belly is full of delicious pretzels, you'll need to walk off some of those calories, and Lititz is the perfect place to do so. Lititz was originally founded in the early 1700s as a Moravian community. Stroll through the downtown, do some window shopping, and even visit the Historical Foundation, where you can sign up for a guided tour of some of the original homes. Around Halloween, they even give a ghost tour.
Hey, do you like ice cream? I know John does. About 20 minutes from downtown Lititz is a wonderful place where you can eat ice cream all day, try new flavors, and even make your own new flavor. Take the kids to the Turkey Hill Experience in Columbia, Pennsylvania. Here you can let the kids explore, learn all about ice cream and how it's made, and most importantly, eat until you're full.
Before we get to our last destination, please check out our Patreon page. For only $3 a month, you get exclusive content, fun bloopers, and you help us continue making the content you enjoy.
Our last destination is Intercourse, PA. This little town was founded in 1754, and trust me, they have just as much fun with their name as you will. Visitors flock.
Flock?
Flock.
Oh, flocking good time. I get it.
Visitors flock to this town year-round for the food, fun, and shopping. Tucked inside Intercourse is the Kitchen Kettle Village, where you can get just about anything from fudge, jams, and jellies to t-shirts and handmade items to give as gifts. When you're in Intercourse, you'll have to stop by this unique shopping village.
We've done videos on most of these destinations, and we've left the links in the description.
So to get you started, click here.